Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying. Ito po yung ating pong last game po for this week. Okay, ito po, this game is also brought to you by Team LBC Hanap Padala and Thread the Needles. Saan po natin po dyan ang SBB Ara and PSBB Basketball League. This is the participating teams, The Hub, Oryx, Cabin Line, CAS, Inflights, Airport United, Boleros, Pure Towers, Freighters, and of course, Mechanicals and Sky Team. Saan po natin po dyan ang eliminations. This is now the final game for this week between Freighters and Mechanicals. Okay. Standby po tayo po sa ating opening tip-off po between Freighters and Mechanicals. Of course, sino-sino po yan? Number 11, number 19, si Tan. Number 6 at si number 29. Sa kabila po, of course, si Valdez. Kapatid yata ni Valdez to. May kapatid ko. Kuya Valdez. O, Valdez, number 22, number 9, 23, at si number 15. Idol, ma'am, ingit po kayo. Ayan, boss, ingit po kayo. Good game. Idol, good game. Last game, friend. Saan na lang, last game for this week. Okay, Idol, dapat ikaw dapat best player, pare. Joke lang, Idol, thank you. Oh, Rebound King. Oh, Idol, ingat. Tim Nichols, Idol. God bless, ingat kayo. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo at 9:40 remaining. Ito na. Ito po tayo, Tabile, si Tabs, Pops up. Wala. Number 91. Ito naman, Valdez. Pasok ang bola kay Valdez. Valdez, 2 points. 9:27 remaining. Okay, si Borabo, number 6. Halma. Okay, number 19. Number 29, pops up, no good. Rebound. Op! Uy, pambira cellphone ko. White ball. Valdez for the inbound. Valdez inbounding. Good. Now si Tabile, si Tabs. Tabile. Pops up number 22. 22, Ryan Jolens. Wala. Foul called. Okay, 22 called for a foul. Number 19, Tuborabo. Number 6. Number 6, binabang bola. Walang kumuha. Borabo. Tunap Alce, number 29, Kapos. Rebound, white shirts. Tabile, nagbababa ng bola ngayon. Si Tabs. Ayan na. 21, fumble. Tabile, pinasa mo na kay Tabile. Number 91, Kapos. Pasok sana. 91, shooting for 2. 91 shooting for 2. Ralph Casol is watching again. Valencia, number 91. Number 91 pops up. Bank shot sana, hindi pumasok. Pwede bang i-set yung camera to? Check na natin. Statistics to. Wala. Valencia, pasok. Okay, 3. Okay, the score is 3-0. 8:08 remaining. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Ito po tayo, pops up. Borabo, nope. Number 19, Balakas. Borabo, lumalaban sa rebound. Kalma for 3. Kapos. Alce, naka-rebound. Alce. Kalma, driving strong. Uy, nawala. Tabile, 15. Wala. Okay, number 15. Basada shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Nothing but net. Second shot, jumper shell din po tayo at 7:11 remaining. 7:11 first quarter action. Drawing to a close. Going to midway already. Pops up, Basada. Wala. Rebound, 21. Wala pa rin. Malakas ang badong. Malakas ang badong. Binababa ang bola ni Kalma. Kalma. Nagbaba ang bola. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Tabile, naipit, pasok ang bola kay Tabile. Borado, kumuha ng pick, Tan. Borado for 3, ayaw. For 3 nga, Borado, kapos. Kalma, tap, behind. White ball nga. White ball. Same ball rather. Same ball. Touch last by White. Kalma! Wala! Tabile. Tabs. Binabang bola. Kick pass. Romano. Dope. Ayaw. Disho pass. Extra pass. Wala pa rin. Tan. Yan. 3 on 1. 2 points. Uy! Point blank na yun. Lumabas pa rin. Romero. Wala. Ayun. 2 points. Number 91. Number 91, 2 points. Valencia. 5:38 remaining. Kalma again. Kalma driving strong. Wala. And one play by number 19. Number 19 shooting for the bonus free throw. Number 19 bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. Pasok. Tabile, binabang bola. Al-Ainlin, J.R. Felipe is watching also. Siyempre, panonorin yan. Kapamekaniko siya eh. No good, Tan. Nakaribot si Tan. Tan, binabang bola. Tan against Tabile. Si Daisy. Stepping on the line. And change 5 na po tayo. Okay, second 5 po natin. Sino-sino? Sa kabila po, sa Freighters, 27, 24, number 0, number 17, number 18. Kabila naman, of course, si Vlad, si Jerome, si Talisek. Idol, ingat ka. Idol, gabes. Ingat ka. Dimak. Bawi tayo, ha? Bawi tayo. Boss, thank you. Idol, huli na. Gabes. Kalilong. Balik tayo. Ito na. 27, pops up. Black ball. Oh, walang bola? Okay, may bola. Okay, good. Okay, black ball. Jerome for the inbound. Jerome for the inbound. Kukuha si number 19. Desalmero. Jerome for 3. Nope. Offline. Number 22. Cornelia. Jerome intercepted. Jerome. Wala. Jerome More. Kalpan, Cornelia. May Terry Saldana pa lang Predators. Okay, balik tayo. Ito na. Rome. Power move. Foul. Pushing foul called. 24 called for the push. 4:01 remaining. Talisik. Jerome. Yun lang. And one play made by Vlad. Si Vlad yan eh. Vlad. Oh, Vlad nga. Vlad. Vlad and one play made by Vlad. Number 10. 5-8 ang score po natin. Chance to get to trim the lead down to 2 points. Wala. Okay, Hornelia nakabuhan na akong bola. Hornelia. Hop. Oh! Hornelia. Wala. Vlad naka-rebound. Talisik naka-rebound. Naka-rebound. Nakakuha ng loose ball. Pops up Jerome. In and out. Okay, number 0, wala. Hornelia, wala pa rin. Okay, black ball. Black ball po tayo. Black ball. That's number 19. Number 19, binababa ang bola. Talisik, 17 for 3. Propose. Castro, palpal. Number 24, smothering. Vlad. Traveling violation called on Vlad. Hornelia for 3. Kapos. Backing almost ba? Out of bounds. Balik puli po sa mechanics ng ball at 1:40 remaining. 1:40 remaining. Jerome. Vlad. Malakas kay Vlad ang bola. Bernabe. Wala. Talisik. Jerome. Yun lang. $56 seconds remaining. Valera. Driving show. Offline. Valera naman. Palpal. Big foul nga lang. Rebound Castro. Talisik. Patas ang pasa ni Castro. Bang! Sire! Number 17, 3 points. Okay, that's it. First quarter ended. The score is 5-11. Laman po ng 6 ang The Freighters. Ganda. Ganda. Mahal nga lang ito. Oo, mahal ito. Nice one by number 91. Tan. Ay, yun lang. Tabilid. Nando. Nice hands for number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Pops up for 2. Wala. Good ball. Good ball. Tabile. Number 19, naka-rebound. Tan, 2 points. Tan, 2 points. 8:35 remaining. Tabile. Ayaw. Good ball, good ball. Tabile again, Tabile. Binali pa, nice ka na. Kano naman, binato naman. 2, oy! Sayang ang fast break. Nice try, nice try. Pickle ball. Second violation nga lang tinawag. Pickle ball. Binaba, bomba, palo na naman, pasok na naman. Number 19, 2 points. Back to back to back to back to back po ang ginagawa nila ngayon. Timeout called now by Freighters. 9:13 score po natin at 7:06 remaining. Bonus shot na made. Pops up. Kapos. Up, foul called. Tapos. Pops up. Pasok in 22 to score by 22. 1 point. Time 14 na score po natin. Lamang muli po ng 6 ang Faders over Mechanicos. Tan pops up. Kapo, balakas. Isa pa, para kay Tan muli. Labas mo na raw. Anthony. Ayun lang. 2 points again. Number 19. Number 19, delivering the goods for Mechanicos. Nope. Number 19. Ito na, Valdez. Up! Oy! Nice one by Alce. Up. Wag mo na raw. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Naipit. Foul called. Okay, palit player tayo. Same ball. Good. Oy! Alalay lang. Difficult shot by Castro. 2 points. Eto na. 13-14, 3:55 remaining. Bolera. Pinasa sa labas. Number 0. Bernabe. Bang! Si number 18. Zambrano. 2 points. Three points na. Tabla po tayo. Mechanicos tumabla na sa the Faders. Zambrano. Ayaw. Nice stop by Jerome. No good. Malakas ang pasa. Bernabe. Cornelia. Wala pa rin. No foul. Jerome. Bang! Si rin. Lamang. Timeout ng Faders. 18-16 ang score po natin.
Anong brand yun?
Ha?
Anong brand yung motor kaya natin? Ay.
Kaya magmapila na sa mga Facebook yan. Gamitin dyan. Kanina. Parang anunsyo lang yan. Pero for all, for sure. Pero yung mga ganyan kasi, 5,000 yun eh. Para ka na bumili rin ng sasakyan na luma na. Pero, ito bilhin mo. Pero yan naman, compact naman kasi yan. Saka walang gasolina. Pero dapat masinop pa minsan. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 2:14 remaining. 18-16 na score po natin. Mag-halftime na po tayo. Lamang na po ang Mecanicos, Hornilia, Valera. 2 points Valera. Kakantay lang kung kailangan mo ako. Valera, 2 points. Samson Gabis watching. Pops up, Borabo. Kapos din. Foul nga lang ang si number 17. Number 19, Colt. Fouled. Number 17. Foul on number 17. Number 19, shooting for 2. Pasok. Sana. Second shot, championship ready po tayo. No good. Borabo. Hinabol si Borabo. Pops number 3. Bangs it in. Borabo, 3 points. Borabo, 3 points. Borabo. Pops up, Valera naman. Binawi ba? Hindi. Rebound battle and black ball. 53 seconds remaining. Bravo. Naipit. What a pass. Vlad. Floater shot. 2 points Vlad. Malalim. And tap out. Alce. Jerome. Tapos lang. Isa pa. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it po. 23-18 na score po natin. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Maraming salamat po. Teka lang ha. Okay, back to the ball game tayo, Mechanicos. Bola po. Bola daw po ng Mechanicos. Bola po ng The Mechanicos. Teka lang, ha? Yeah, okay, isa. Okay, Mechanicos. That's Alice for the inbound. Alice inbounding. Ito po. Pinasa kay Anthony, number 30. Anthony. Kick pass. Nice one. Uy! Nice steal. Number 19. And one play din naman. Number 19. Para napapasin na, puro end one play ginagawa mo ah. Number 19 again. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Induction. Good. Tabile. Tabile, lumusot. Tabile. Ginolens, 2 points. Tabile. Pinato naman. Ay lang. Out of bounds. Doon. Two points. Kaya namabot na naman ang Raiders. Kalma. Malakas nga lang. Tabile. Inararo. Pasok ang bola. Anthony. Tan. Ayun. Wala. Number 19 naman. Foul called. Anak ng patis yun. Okay, time out po. Nag-time out po. 25-24. Laman po ang Mechanicos. Game. Next shot. Last shot. Luman lang, number 19. Second shot. Pasok. Tabile. Taps. Number 15. Pops number 3. Nope. And out of bounds. Black ball. Black ball tayo. Black ball. No good. Tabili na naman. Malakas. Alce. Pinasa agad kay Anthony. 2-on-3 situation. Anthony, Tan, pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Tan. Hop. Pasada. Hindi nakakuha ng foul. Again, nakuha ni Kalma ang bola. Kalma. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Okay, number 21, call for the foul. Second shot, Kalma. Yes, sirree. 2022, 55 ang Mechanicos. 55 Mechanicos. Eto na, tabi na naman. Nadapa. Ayan na naman si Kalma. Kalma, 2 on 1. Ayun, naku, sayang. Nice D. Tabile. Valera. Wala. Valera muli. Pinasa sa labas. 15 para sa 3. Wala pa rin. Eto naman tayo. And Anthony. Nagmamadali naman. Anthony. Out. In and out. Tabile. Inararo. Nope. Tan. Nakuha ng bola. Tan muli. To Alce. Anthony, 3 on 2 situation. Number 19. Ayun! Alce, 2 points. Selfless play. 3:59 remaining. Fighters go for the timeout. Okay, back to the ball game time. Number 21 inbounding. Tabile. 3:55 remaining. Tabile. Cornelia. Tabile for 3. Ayaw. Valera for 3. Tapos. Out of bounds. Lumang lang muli. And one play na naman kay Lumang lang. What a play. Again, basket made for Lumang lang, number 19. Okay, 10 point lead na po Mechanicos, 34-24 at 2:59 remaining. Pops up, palpal. Kalma, binababa ang bola, kalma. Burabo, nope. Rebound, kalma, dukot, pasok. Cornelia, hop, foul, reaching foul. Valera, kalma, hindi na kinuha ang bola para si Tim Makasiyan. Edward Descamer, number 19 na naman, no good. Dalawa kasi number 19 pala. Hornilla. Kunin na naman, Hornilla. Kay Valera, binomba, pasok. Valera, 2 points. Again, Jerome, binabang bola, Jerome. Wala. Nice D by number 21. 50 seconds remaining. Tabile. Ayun kay Valera, wala. Hornilla, recovering. Bernabe, wala pa rin. Jerome, running shot. Nope. Jerome, wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin Jumolens. Wala pa rin. Jerome. 2 points, Jerome. Wala pa rin. Dice 1 by number 91. Pop sa Bravo, no good. Sayang, out of time. This is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like first to thank the following sponsors, Trading Hills and Team LBC Harin Padala, sa panabili SBBA ARA, and of course, PSBG Basketball League. Ito pa ating participating teams. This is on the elimination final game for this week now between Freighters and Mechanicals, fourth quarter action. Okay. Ang maging ban po si Mr. Romero, number 22. Wala si Ruiz. Romero, number 22, thank you. Of course, Tabile, number 23. Romero, driving strong, ayaw. Romero muli, Romero, swiped away. Wow, black ball. Foul! Nahataw. Good ball. Romero pops up, no good. Rebound kay Romero, out of bounds, hindi na kontrol ng bola palabas. Foul! Foul called. Mechanicals call for the timeout. The score is 38-26. Laman po ng 12 ang The Mechanicals. Igupilin na black hole yun. Binato na lang. 8-10 remaining. Yun lang. Oy! Hawi. Hawi, boss. Kita, hawi. Nice D. Kalma, binato kagad. Ena. Tan. 2 points tan. Binukot sa ilalim. 2 points. Bravo versus number 22. Binababa, binatawang kagad yung ano. Ena, Romero, driving strong, foul. Number 6, Bravo called for a foul. Tabile, Romero, foul. Kalma called for a foul. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumper charity po tayo. Wala. Nag-release ba ng ring shot parang yun? Yun lang, sayang. Tan, wala. And one play sana. Shooting position number 0. No good. Kalma. Kalma, binabang bola. Kalma. Bangs it in. 3 points by Kalma. 43-28, 6-13 remaining. Romero, no good. Foul! Foul called. Jerome, wala. Again, 2-on-1 situation. 3-on-2, 3-on-3, 4-on-3. Okay, lamang na, line sila. Kalma, Jerome, Castro, nope. Romero, pinasa kagad. Ayan na. Valera. Valera, wala. 5 minutes remaining. 21. Top of the key. Pasok. Jerome. Kalma. Kalma, what a play! Tan. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Kalma. Tan, in and out. Stepping on the line, balik muli po sa mechanics ang bola. Substitute made na po tayo ngayon again. Tan. Wala. Tabile, 2 points. Still completed. Teka lang. Pag-mimitingan. Potential for Anspo foul. Okay, it's confirmed. It's Anspo foul called. Mechanicals go for the timeout. Nag-time mo na po Mechanicals. Anspo foul on, called on. Kanino? Number? Lakay. Lakay pala. Okay. Lakay Castro po. Anspo foul called on Lakay Castro. 43-32 ang score po natin. Ang 11-point advantage na been enjoyed by Mechanicals. Tabile shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot, Tabile. Wala. Bola pa po ng Faders. Valdez for the inbound. Oh! Stepping on the line. Tumatao na. Foul. Gamit na PVC pipe. Pops up, kapos. Yan na naman, kalma. 2:31 remaining. Foul. Looks. $2:28 remaining. Ay, Arigo. No good. Up, stepping on the line. 2 minutes. Approaching now the final 2-minute mark. Eto na, Tabile. Tabile! 2 points, Tabile. Tumatawa na. Press. Nagpe-press sila. Jerome. Pow! Oy, traveling, sorry. Traveling called. Nice D by number 21. 45 to 10 lang yan. Tabile. Wala. Tabile. Dope. It's Castro. 1:28 remaining. Kalma. Wala. Lumang last, sorry. Pops up. No good. Number 35, shooting for 2, Castro. 1:11 remaining. By looks of it po, a win is imminent now for Mecanicos. Castro first shot, pasok. Second shot by Castro. Lakay Castro, second throw. Pasok na naman. 3-12. 1:11 remaining. Backing violation. No, wait. Si referee says what? Referee says? Okay, referee says same ball. Okay, overruled. It's backing violation confirmed. Backing violation confirmed now for Freighters. 1 minute remaining. Jerome. Number 19, Jerome na naman. Kick pass, Castro. Foul. Lumanggas. Ano ba? Number 19, Lumanggas shooting for 2. 49 seconds remaining. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready, pops up. Wala. Rebound, Jerome. Jerome naka-rebound. Desamero. Pops up. Pasok. Lakay, 2 points. 15 kalamangan. Freighters. Pops up, Tabile. Kapos. I think safety na tayo. Safety basket. Okay, that's it. Freighters conceded. And of course, final score, 50-35. Panalo po. Ano ba naman to? 50-35. 50-35. Panalo po ang The Mecanicos. Maraming salamat. Again po, balik muli po tayo sa Friday. Muli po tayo sa ating basketball action dito po sa Air Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Maraming salamat po. See you again po. Always po, mahisa po. And also, maglalabas po tayo ng mga panibagong schedule. Muli po tayo. Thank you very much.